So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So let's start the analysis looking at the SGX first. So SGX right now is showing a gap down of 40 points approximately. Market is trading near 17,500. Now if you see the technical chart for Nifty. Okay. So if you see the daily chart for Nifty right now. So we already discussed that market is, in a uptrend, a clear uptrend, right? Okay. And in the previous session, market has broke up the 17,500 and it is trading above that level. Now, today's gap down could be a good market will be providing a good support around 17,500, right? Okay. And that is the red line that I've created. So 17,500 is a good support looks like as of now. On the higher side, we can achieve 18,000 as a level. We can easily see on the technical charts here. Okay. Now let's go to the OI. Okay, so OI suggests that clear-cut longs happening in Nifty. Okay, so you can see most of the longs are building up at every level. So this is a good sign. Now, if you see the OI from the options perspective, so 17,500 shows a good unwinding yesterday in the last trading session, and good addition happened on 17,400 and 500. So these are the two good supports that we have. But on the higher side, we have seen good addition happening on these strike prices also. And 18,000 is the major resistance. You can see that is the highest call option. So 17,500 is on the lower side. That is the support. 18,000 on the higher side is the resistance that we have right now for Nifty. Okay, talking about Bank Nifty. Okay. Looking at the technical chart, trend is clearly bullish. Okay. 38,000 was the resistance. Market is trading above that level. On the higher side, 38,700 and 39,000 could be the resistance level that we are, seeing on the technical charts. If we see here, so Bank Nifty is again a bullish since long, right? Okay, and in the past few sessions, you can see simply long unwinding happening, a clear good sign, and trend looks completely bullish on this, right? Okay. So 38,000 gave a good breakout and a lot of unwinding on that level specifically. 38,500 is the resistance we are facing, and then 39,000. So these are the two levels on the higher side. Any dip towards 38,000 could be good buying opportunity in Bank Nifty. So trend is still bullish. Okay. Now let's go and check the contribution. So index contribution, private banks is contributing the highest in the last trading session, and then NBFC and oil. So the trend seems to be okay now. Okay, now we'll go to the ban list, right? Okay, so these are the three stocks which are trading in the ban list. Okay, Balram Chini, Delta Corps, and Escorts, right? Okay. Now, talking about specifically the stocks, so we'll go to the trap indicator and try to find some stocks. So Bank Nifty looks bullish, so we can go for some banking stock. It's there. So HDFC Bank is there, right? HDFC Bank. Okay, so on daily chart, this stock looks fine. It's giving a breakout, and you can see it surpassed that 1450 level, and that was where it is facing a resistance, and now it closed above that. So trend looks bullish from here. So we can anticipate the level on the high side at least 1500 and 1540 or 1550, right? So 100 points move that we have right now, and on the lower side, 1400 could be a good support. If we see not a clear sign, but still good, the trend looks fine. And the trap indicator also suggests that there is a buying coming up in this. So trend might be okay with this. Okay. So good unwinding at 1440 and 1500 also. So the trends completely look bullish from your side. Okay, and 1400 is a good support as of now for this stock. So any dip could be a good buying opportunity in HDFC Bank. On a breakout of the yesterday's high could be a good buying opportunity again. So both the places we can go and go for a long position, right? Okay. Now second stock, TCS looks fine. Okay, so we'll go with TCS. So TCS also gave a breakout. Okay, so it's sustaining above that. So it's consolidation and then trading above that level, right? Oscillator also says that the strong, trend is as of now coming up. Okay, so anyhow, I would say 3400 is the immediate resistance that we can face. Above that, we can see a good movement in TCS specifically. So OI doesn't suggest anything from the long perspective because we haven't seen a good long coming up in the since past few sessions. There was a cycle happening for short and short covering, and there are few longs in between. And so let's see how the cycle comes up in coming up sessions. But as of now, stock has given a breakout. So if that sustained, we can see good move in this. Okay, so 3400 where we are facing the resistance, that is the highest call option. Breakout above this would take the stock to 35 to 3600 level on the high side. And 3300 would be a good support for the stock, right? Okay, so that's it. Fine. So Reliance and TCS, HDFC Bank and TCS both looks positive, right? Okay, so we can go for a long position in this stock. Okay. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.